on water technology. Nowadays, the water technology plays a major role in this universe. Here I am using this, the human beings, plants, animals and the other type of all living beings and non-living beings, which is all based on this water. So here the human beings are absorbed by this water percent of 55 to 78 percentage of the water peoples, and the animals which can absorb the water proficiency by using this 72%. Totally the water surface areas covered by this percent of these materials in this universe. And by using this, the sources of water, what are all the sources which we can cover by this by this universe? There is 100 percentages of the water area which is covered by in this field. By using this, the 80% of the earth surface which is covered by this water, in which the 80% which are characterized by the sources on separations of the water technology. Nowadays the waters became this scarcity or water drainages and the storages of the water, contaminations of the water by the using of contaminated waters in these industries by using this textile dyeing process, and from the industries by background uses of the dyed waters, industrial waste waters and the effluent waters contaminated by using this dye degradations. Whenever the water can be contaminated by using this dye degradation, there is so many pollutions can be affected by this environment. But for this, the control measurements of this dye degrades by using this so many materials, and we can use this nanoparticle synthesis for this material to resolve this dye degradation. In this purpose, we can use the waste contaminated waters from collection of various industries or various traveling waste waters, and from various regional waters can be collected throughout this, and we can set a samples decomposed by using this, using a dye or separation of the water degradation by using this centrifuge method can be carried out by using this so mesh types. And here the 97% of the oceans of waters can be carried by using this. Most of the ocean waters can be used for this salt water and the contaminations of the wastewater, submarines and the ship debrined waters. These are the major factors which can affect this fish living things, and most of this water pollutions is caused by this oceans controlled by using the evaporation of the sunlight and the decompose of the petrol diesel engines by using this fuel biofuels, and this is a major process which can be affected from this. And the 3% of this fresh water, the fresh water which is also purified by this river, lakes and this contaminated which also from this birds or animals. To this we can control by using this stocking of waste waters from this which is mixing to this pure water, and the remaining parts of the polar ices which is combined in this water technology, and it removes the waste water or contaminated water to control the efficiency of this water percentage. Whenever we have this water technology identified by using this so many industries, there is some parts of this functions can be carried out in this process. There are some technologies which can be developed from nowadays, can be classified as first one is the surface water. The surface water which is nothing but the water can be from this river, lake, river and ponds, oceans. Surface can be contaminated by using this sand, oil or biofutilizers can be carried out from this surface water. And the rainwater which is also have the evaporations of the surface water. Evaporation of surface water which can causes the water technology to contaminate the waters or water scarcity, water evaporations from this fertilizers. And from the rainwater which can catalyzes the enzymes and the chemicals from this CO2, SO2 and NO2, nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide components which can be evaporated from this rainwater harvesting. And the third one is river water. River water is nothing but the formation of this from the soils and rocks from this, including the water contaminated from this any metals or any earthcraft, any species which can be inside this water by using this river water, and it cannot be stored as a good river water and cannot be tested for using the industrial purpose or commercial purpose, cannot be used for this. We have to clean the purpose or we have to demineralize it, or distilled water can be controlled for using this water. And the last one is the lake water. The lesser amount of the minerals or soils can be present in this lake water. It cannot be used from this for drinking purpose, or it cannot be used for this industrial effluent technologies of the water. And the last one is the sea water, which has a 2.6 percentages of the sodium chloride which is present in that. And underground water, they have the three types: physical, chemical, and the bacterial formations of the waters. Thank you.